Is your iPad charging slow? In this video, we'll show you some ways to speed it up. It could be as easy as changing some settings or trying different cables. But first, simply restart your iPad. If that doesn't seem to do the trick, here are some things you can try. Install any updates. Charge it in airplane mode. Turn off active downloads. Decrease your screen's brightness. Close unnecessary apps. Experiment with a different charging cable and outlet, and try not to use your iPad while it charges. You might also want to disable background app refresh. To do this, tap Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and turn off Background App Refresh. If all else fails, restore your iPad's firmware. Doing this will erase all of your iPad's data, so make sure to back it up first. To put your iPad in Device Firmware Update, or DFU, connect your iPad to any computer and turn the iPad off. Open iTunes or Finder, then press and hold the top button for 3 seconds. On an iPad without a home button, keep holding the top button, then press and hold the volume down button. Hold both for 10 seconds. Let go of the top button, but keep holding the volume down button for 5 more seconds. On an iPad with a home button, keep holding the top button, then press and hold the home button, holding both for 10 seconds. Let go of the top button, but keep holding the home button for 5 more seconds. If the screen stays black but is illuminated, it's in DFU mode. Your computer should have recognized your iPad, and you can follow the on-screen instructions to restore it. If none of that speeds it up, it may be time to reach out for reinforcements. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.